Hello everyone and welcome back to Nisha's art tutorials. Today I am here for something special. As you can read here, nurses are superheroes too. That's the thing I am doing today. So 12th May is considered to be the International Nurses Day. Why? It is the anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Yes, the lady with the lamp. That's what she used to be called as. And it was her birth anniversary every year. And this is to mark the contribution of nurses towards the society. So that's why we are doing this today. I am doing a representational thing. So as I have added this extra quote here, superheroes. So I'm just trying to make a very simple drawing but adding a nice touch to it by saying they are superheroes. So it's a representational thing and I will not say that I have done something you can say I'm not doing very serious drawings, as I've talked about it earlier also. I am doing something doable, fun, and simultaneously it is a message is passing through it. So that's the whole idea. So this area, so I've used the upper part of my sheet for the quotation here. The quote is obviously is visible. Now the smaller part here, I'm gonna use it for the drawing part. So first thing first, I'm gonna make the so this is something you have to. So first thing first, I'm going to make the cap of the nurse. I'm gonna do the plus sign here, right? And now I'm gonna start working on it. So this is, I will not say it's the cartoon representation, but this is like, you feel like doing something for, or you want to show your way of how you see them. And in the current scenario, they are turning out to be the superheroes, right? So why not to do this for them, right? So I'm gonna leave this head part here this much. So I'm showing this much as the head part, and now I'm gonna go and work on the face part here. Nice and easy, coming along. I hope you are all able to do it along with me. And first here, I'm gonna do the eyebrows part. I'm gonna fill it with black pencil lead only. Right? Now I'm gonna do the nice and happy face. Now the next part is we're showing the current scenario. The corona affected situation has done so much changes to our current life that we cannot go out of the house without this. So all of you out there, make sure. I'm just gonna fix this. Right, so this is the mask on the face. Now I'm gonna add the neck part here. Doable. And from here I'm gonna lift the line up and bring it here, lift the line up and bring it here, just in the circle. Now from here a little shoulder part and just go a little more easy because I'm making a female, so rather than having a, so I think I'll move my sheet up because you should see what I'm doing right now. So here I go. So from here and from here, right, and this part I can do a little nice and easy here. Hope this is visible for you guys. Okay, and now from here I'm trying to make the hands now, so let's see how it goes. So here I'm trying to show this part, you know, like this the hand comes. So let's see how it goes. So we keep thinking a lot of things in the head, but whether it comes along nicely or not. Right, now the next hand should be little here touching. You're able to catch this part. I hope not too difficult for you guys. Right, and now let's show some effects here. The wrinkles on the so this hand I can do this thumb a little down so that this makes a perfect heart kind of shape. I hope it is coming, so let's see. So this is the drawing part here and almost done here. Now to add that superhero effect, what I am doing a very nice and simple thing. See this? And from here it goes here, and here it goes here, right? And I'm gonna just extend this part a little bit more. See, I hope it comes out nicely. So this is the cape. You see this? This is the cape. Now as this cape is over the shoulders, so now I'm gonna erase this part here, right? Cape is opaque, so opaque things, you can't see the things below it, right? So let's fix it a little bit more. So this is the drawing part done. Now do you want me to color it? Okay, I'll do something and come back. So I'll be back. Ta-da! So this is how my end result will look like. So I am saying that nurses are superheroes. So what I did is I've done black sketch pen outlining here, and I've kept superheroes as a little colorful thing, and I kept it with black simple. I did not wanted to color the dress of the nurse, but then I thought let's do it. So I've just added color here, so little shades here, and that's the cape. I wanted the cape thing to be there, so that's very superheroic when we see Superman or any other, they have their own dress code. So I've just added this. So in the current scenario, when the situation is going so rough and we are not allowed to go out of the houses, and nurses are doing their job. They are constantly going out and doing their best. So for them, in the end, I'm gonna just do a little popping of hearts. So see, we cannot do much, but we can still show our love and affection to them. So that's why this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.